How's it going, guys? Justin Savage here with MarineMax Venice. We're aboard a 2024 Aviara AV36. As we stand on this boat, the bow itself is very, very deep. You're going to see that on the whole Aviara lineup. What this is going to be nice for is when you're out on the water and you find yourself into a little bit of chop, it's going to have that depth where everyone feels pretty secure and it doesn't feel like you're going to get tossed out of the boat. Follow me into the cockpit and I can show you just how much size we get in here as well. As you can see here, sitting at the helm, very open. You get a nice co-captain seat here. The displays are very nicely laid out, very intuitive. You got all your boat controls are going to be located on this display. All your graphs and charts and things like that are going to be located here on the Simrad. Then you got your smart crafts here, so you can have your boat controls, lights and things like that. Got your graph up, got your engine specs up, and all of it's within just seeing it all within view, and you're not going to have to flip through screens or anything. Very ergonomic here. You got your joystick controls along with your throttles, cell phone holder, actuator controls there. You have cooled cup holders down here to keep your drinks, non-alcoholic drinks, nice and cool while you're out on the water. And then as you move through this, you also have a nice large head area and cabin. And this is going to have AC. So down here you have a nice head, nice little sitting area along with a microwave and a TV down there. So if you're having a little bit too much fun in the sun, you can escape it and hang out in there. Nice seating here with flip back headrests. As you can see, this is very large. The beam's huge. If you like to entertain friends and family, this boat's great for that. You have a detachable table that locates right here. Otherwise, if you have it gone, you can just see how much space there is to move around on the boat. No one's stepping on each other. There's no clutter. You have your nice summer kitchen layout here. Kenyan cooktop, dual refrigerators, a nice cooled compartment here to keep your drinks on ice. And you also have a cooler located here. So plenty of space and storage for all your stuff to get out on the water. And then as you move back here on the bow, or I'm sorry, on the after the boat, you have stadium style seating. So if you're out hanging out at a sandbar, things like that, you have a ton of seating here, whether you want to be up high or kind of sitting down low. And then you can also flip all these down and make it a huge sun lounger. So that paired with your aft shade that comes out, you can get plenty of sun coverage here. You're not getting sunburnt while you're out on the water. And with the Aviara 36, you get powered with triple 300 Mercury Verados. So plenty of power to get this big boat up and on plane. If you want to check it out, get a more detailed walkthrough, come by, check, give us a shout, come by and check it out. Thanks.